Discussing. So in terms of addition, what happens? We have seen z plus or minus delta z is equal to a plus b plus or minus delta a plus or minus delta b. So in this situation we directly use a plus b and z is equal to a plus b. That is why we have cancelled from both the sides. But how it cancels, that we are going to see here. So in place of a plus b I have written z here. So that is why equation will become z plus or minus delta z, that is equal to z plus or minus delta a plus or minus delta b. Now we are going to transfer this z to the left. So if you transfer it to the left, what will happen? Z minus z will be there and z gets cancelled. So z minus z plus or minus delta z, that is equal to plus or minus delta a plus or minus delta b. Now here in this case z and z gets cancelled and its value becomes 0. So therefore final value delta z plus or minus delta z is equal to plus or minus delta a plus or minus delta b. But the condition is that maximum value will be same as, that is delta a plus delta b. That because we are, as we know, there are 4 maximum possible values here. At a time any one of this is positive or anyone is negative, so accordingly that values will become. So that is the maximum value for sum, that is delta z is equal to delta a plus delta b. For sum and difference method, there is a mean absolute error in each condition that we have to consider. But in case of product, we have to consider the relative errors. Okay, so that you need to understand. So for the product purpose, we are not cancelling z is ab is equal to z, we know that, and but we are not cancelling z from both sides, because what we need to do, we have to divide it. So that is why otherwise there may be the problems. That if you transfer this z to the left, z minus z will happen, but the condition will be that delta z is equal to a into delta b, b into delta b. So that conditions cannot be satisfied. So for that purpose, what we have to do, we have to divide by LHS by z and RHS by AB, and that method we have to remember for the product and division purpose itself. So we'll see the division, the combination of errors by division in next class. Next video, and we'll discuss about it. Okay, so